Hey guys, it's Jenna G. Have you guys ever had taco pasta? I'm going to show you how super easy this dish is to put together if you don't have taco shells on hand. And we're going to be using the Flavoured by Jennag taco spice blend in this recipe. Starting off by putting my pasta to boil, I'm adding some salt to my water as well. I'm using large elbows, but you can use any type of pasta that you prefer. Usually I like the linguine. Unfortunately, have not been able to get linguine these days. So large elbows I'm going to be using for this particular video. While the pasta is boiling, we're going to be adding some of our chosen foods, avocado oil, to a pot. Keeping my heat low, medium, and once the oil is nicely heated, I'm going to be adding my chopped up garlic and my onions. I like to put it in a mini chopper, chop everything up nice and fine, and then add it to the pot. We're just going to cook it until it gets nice and fragrant, probably just a minute or so. And once it's nice and fragrant and the kitchen is smelling absolutely fantastic, we're going to be adding the minced meat. I'm using minced beef, but you can use minced chicken if you prefer to use the minced chicken. Washing minced meat, yes or no? I'll leave that up to you guys. Let me know down in the comment section what you all usually do. Do you wash your minced meat or do you not wash your minced meat? So into the pot the mincemeat goes, and we're just going to cook this for a few minutes until it's nicely cooked through, keeping that heat on low, medium, still more on the medium side. Once our mincemeat has been cooked through properly, we're going to be adding some tomato paste to the mix. Then we're going to be adding in the taco spice blend. This has no salt in it, so you can feel free to add as much as you like. Again, the exact amount that I use for this particular recipe will be found in the description box down below and also on the website. In addition to the taco spice blend, we're going to be adding our salt because again, it has no salt in it, no MSG in it. And we're going to also be adding some sugar, just a little bit of sugar to add just a little bit of sweetness because we are using the tomato paste in this dish. So we're just going to stir this up, mix this up, guys, and look at that nice bright color that you have there. The nice red color, and the taco spice blend also has a lot of chili powder in it, so it adds that fantastic color. And of course, you can't have tacos if you don't have cheese in it, right? So into our mincemeat, we are adding some grated cheese. Whatever type of cheese you want, go right ahead, and as much as you like as well. The cheesier it is, the better, in my opinion, you know. Then we're going to be adding our cooked pasta. Now, if you get some of the pasta sauce into the pot, that's totally fine. So I tend to just use a spoon and just take it straight from the boiling water and just put it into the pot without draining it out properly. Going to mix this up nicely there, and everything's just mouth-watering. I'm adding more cheese to the mix now because I like the cheesiness to it. Just continue mixing that up there. Make sure everything is nicely incorporated. And whatever you like in your tacos, now you can go ahead and add it in. So on into the pot, we're going to be adding some corn as well. And like I said, whatever else you want to add, go right ahead. Mix that up, guys. And that is just about it for your taco pasta, your cheesy taco pasta. So I posted this up on my Instagram a while ago. And I added some of the other stuff. Tomato salsa I topped it off with. And I also had some sauce. Now you can add, sour cream. You like to have sour cream when you're eating your tacos. You can go ahead. Just imagine that you're having like a taco and your taco shell, but you're just doing it with pasta. For some reason, it's just on a different level and absolutely so amazing. So you plate it out, top it off with more cheese and everything else that you want to put on there. If you want to add on the tomato salsa, more corn, whatever you want to do. And check this out, guys. Your taco pasta, cheesy taco pasta. I strongly encourage you to try this out for sure. I think you guys will love it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Grab some of that Flavoured by Jennag taco spice blend and make some taco pasta.